Have you ever noticed something strange? Everyone says they're working for a better future. For their children. Their children's children. Their country. Their planet. Peace movements. Climate activism. Social reform. And yes, their intentions are noble. But here's the question. If every generation has been trying to create a better future, why does the world still look like this? For 5,000 years, humans have been chasing the dream of a better tomorrow. Parents sacrificed for their children. Teachers preached it. Priests blessed it. Politicians promised it. But the result? We've sacrificed the present for a future that never arrives. We're taught, give up your joy now, so that someone else may live better later. But nobody lives, not the father, not the son, not the grandson. Just a long chain of silent suffering, passed down like inheritance. Tell me, who actually gets to live? I say, live now. Fully. Totally. Because the only time you're ever given is this moment. When you live this moment with awareness, with joy, with love, with presence, you plant the seed for a future that doesn't need to be forced into being. It grows on its own, like spring after winter. Now let's talk about war. Nuclear weapons. Global collapse. Environmental disaster. These aren't future problems. They are right here, right now. You want peace? Then be at peace, now. Live with joy, now. Not in protest. Not in fear. Not in guilt. Because here's the truth no one likes to admit: war needs miserable people. It needs people who are sexually repressed. People who are poor, angry, humiliated. People with nothing left to lose. Only then can you convince them to pick up a gun and destroy each other. Karl Marx said it bluntly: you have nothing to lose but your chains. And that's why people fight. But a person with something beautiful to live for? Someone in love, someone at peace, someone dancing through life, you can't drag them into war. You just can't. They won't kill for your flag. They won't die for your politics. Because they are already winning, every single moment. So no, I'm not on the side of war. And I'm not on the side of peace movements either. I'm on the side of life. Of people living fully. Laughing freely. Loving deeply. Because when humanity learns to be happy in the present, the war, the fear, the future, they all lose their power. And that is where real revolution begins.